everybody, my name is Janice LaRoche and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And today I'd like to make this card with you. I'm going to do a little bit different. I'm going to do different colors obviously, but I wanted to show you a second one also. I'll show you at the end. I've just started back videoing, so if you could click the subscribe button for me, I would be so appreciative. I need at least 22 more subscribers to my channel, as I've not done videos in a year and I've gone below the threshold for the YouTube partner program. So I'd like to, I have till the end of the month to get 22 more subscribers, so if you could help me out, I'd appreciate it. Click like and subscribe as well as leave me comments on what you think of the videos or the projects. So anyway, this card I used the Dahlia Days. Let me bring that in. So this is Dahlia Days and it has beautiful dies too, the detailed dahlias, and it is found on page 35 of the new mini catalog, which I showed in my last video, so I'll make this one quick. So the card we're going to make today is like this, and inside I just put a little sentiment, sending you lots of love, and little flowers. And then I decorated the envelope to match. So we'll put this aside and we'll get our stuff together. So we are going to do one in Regals today. Let's put that one aside. So I am using the Real Red ink. Oh, well, ribbon, sorry. The faux linen ribbon in Real Red. And I've cut about 12 inches of that. And I also have the sentiment cut out already, but I'm going to do another one. So let's just put that up there for now. So we're using Garden Green, Pumpkin Pie, and Real Red inks for our colors that we're going to put on with our blending brushes. And I have those here. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to leave this white. I'm not going to color this one. And we have our envelope we'll decorate later. And I'm just going to do the red first. So I have brushes, the blending brushes. And we're going to take some of the red and I wipe it off first, so I just don't get so much of it all at once. And I'm just going to put blotches of it here and there. So I'll put another blotch over here. And another blotch maybe down here. Yeah. And we'll put that one aside. Clean it off later. Oops, I just tipped up my little plastic cup. It won't hold it. I'll put it out the way. Alright, so now we'll take a Garden Green. Close that. Get some of our green ink on here, rub a little off, and just put splotches of it wherever you want to. Just put some splotches. You don't even have to cover up all the white. You could leave some white too. So that'll be good for the green. And then we will do Pumpkin Pie. So these colors are from our Regals color family, and this one I did with our new in colors. So now I'm going to do some Pumpkin Pie. I just stuck my finger in it. And I think that'll probably be good right there. That's plenty. So, this is a really quick card. We're going to take our, because this is the card already, right? So we're just going to take our silicone mat and our die. I'm turning it over backwards. And we're just going to put some two-way glue on here. You don't have to do the whole thing, but if you want to do as much if you can, you go for it. At least try and do around the edges. You might not be able to see it, but it goes on blue. And it's, if you put it on when it's blue, it's permanent. And if you let it dry to a white, whereas you don't see it, it's you can remove it, so it's a removable. Then you can just take them and wash them off. So I'm just going to put my hold it down for a second till it adheres. There. See, that doesn't look that dark. It doesn't look that much different from this, does it? And yet this was our in colors and this is our Regal family. But I didn't do it dark, so yeah, that's probably why. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take, oops, a piece of white and we're going to stamp. So I think maybe I'll do this one orange. I did have one ready in the red, so you can see it in the red. I'll try one in orange because I can always make a set and give them away as a gift. So I don't mind having extras at all. So we're going to ink this up and stamp. Right. And clean that off. And then what we can do is we can stamp our sentiment. So I'm going to put on this, thank you for your kindness. Oh, I needed that orange, I shouldn't have shut it. And we're just going to put it here. Hold it gently and pick it up. And then for the inside, I forgot about an inside one. I have thank you for your kindness. Let's see. We could just put, you made my day. All right, so we'll put that on the inside. You made my day, if I can get him out. Yeah. And orange again, closed it. Pumpkin pie, not orange, pumpkin pie. So just ink it up, put it on your card. There we go. And maybe we'll do a couple of flowers there. Yeah. How about some of these little tiny flowers? All right, I should have brought some more blocks here. I didn't bring blocks into my, I've got this video set up in my other room and I didn't bring blocks to do any others. But let's see what we can do. Oh, I don't want to put it too far. We can take the sponges we used and we can drain what color we have left on these. Actually, I can get a little bit more orange because it's open. Right, I'm going to fold that so I don't color on it. There. And see if we can get some red off of this as well. Yeah. And a little bit of green. I'm going to do it that way so I don't get it on the actual envelope. Yeah, that should do. And then we'll just take our little flowers again and we'll put some on there. So it sort of matches your card. Yeah, do a few more. Why not? Go hog wild with the flowers. Okay, so our card envelope now matches our card. So we have this on the outside. You made my day. And I'm going to cut out the greeting real quick and not use the red one. So let me do that. I have my little stamp emboss cutter here. So these are real easy to use. Plate number 1 and then your plate number 2s. So we're going to put it on here. Oops, on here. And then put that on. And line it up as best you can. There, that'll do. cut it out. Just run it through. There we go. Put that back over there. And that's our sentiment. I should have taped this paper down as well. Didn't tape it or keep it in place very well. So we're going to put that on there. And I should have used an orange ribbon. Now I've got red. Well, guess what? We're going to use this one. I forgot I'd already cut the red ribbon. So we're going to use red. Okay, so this we're just going to wrap it in 3. Like so. So you got a thing of 3. And we can put our tape there. So hold this down just in the middle. There, there. And a little bit more there. I'm going to trim this off a little bit. And trim it there. And a little bit on this side. There. Oops, cut off. So we can even it up again. There we go. And then if you have some dimensionals, you could put this on dimensionals. Just to pop it up a little bit. There, and that'll do. Take off the backs. And again. And then we're going to just place this right in the middle. Like so. So you just have the red behind. And there was the other card. Okay, for the second card I wanted to show you where we would use this stuff again is to do it in red. Not with that. But put that on here in the red with the white. And then the saying. So you could have your red ribbon too. Let's cut off about 12 inches. Close enough. I'll use it for something else. I'm not going to actually stick this one down. I'm just showing you what it's like with the red on the white. Instead of doing a white with the brushes, just use a colored cardstock. It's so pretty as well. So like put your ribbon down and you're saying on top. You get the idea, right? So you could do that in any color. This is just beautiful. So you don't have to go through all the brushing techniques and to cover it up. You could use a color cardstock. I love it. I love it. So thank you for watching. Like I said, please subscribe to my channel. I will upload another video in a few days. So stay tuned and allow notifications. It will let you know when I'm uploading. All the instructions, all the measurements, and everything you need will be on my blog. So thank you. Have a great day.